Externalities in microeconomics. Externalities are fundamental concepts in microeconomics representing the impact of economic activities on third parties who are not directly involved in the transaction. This impact can be positive or negative, influencing market outcomes and societal welfare. Externalities arise when the private costs or benefits of production and consumption differ from the social costs or benefits. This discrepancy leads to market failures where the free market fails to allocate resources efficiently. Understanding externalities. When a positive externality exists, the social benefit of an activity exceeds the private benefit. In contrast, when a negative externality is present, the social cost of an activity surpasses the private cost. For instance, consider a factory emitting pollution. The private cost for the factory may only include production costs, while the social cost also incorporates the damage costs to the environment and public health. This discrepancy between private and social costs leads to an overproduction of the pollution good. 1. Social cost. The total cost to society of production a good or service, including both private and external costs. Social cost takes into account the harm that pollution or other negative externalities cause. 2. Private cost. The cost incurred by producers or consumers in engaging in a particular activity, including production costs, labor costs, and raw materials. 3. Social benefits. The total benefit to society from producing a good or service, including both private and external benefits. 4. Private benefits. The benefits received by individuals or firms directly involved in a transaction, such as the satisfaction from consuming a good or the profit from selling a good. Types of externalities. Externalities can be categorized based on their nature and origins. Production externalities. Production externalities occur when the production of a good or service affects the well-being of third parties. For example, a factory polluting a river generates a negative production externality. Conversely, a beekeeper's apiary providing pollination service to nearby orchards represents a positive production externality. Consumption externalities. Consumption externalities arise when the consumption of a good or service affect the well-being of third parties. For instance, a loud party late at night causing noise pollution is a negative consumption externality, while guilting patients against a contagious disease creates a positive consumption externality. Positive externalities. Positive externalities occur when an activity benefits third parties without directly involving them in the transaction. These benefits can be substantial and contributes to overall societal well-being. Some examples of positive externalities include 1. Education. A well-educated workforce can boost productivity and innovation, benefiting the entire society. While individuals benefit from education, the positive externalities extend to higher economic growth and social cohesion. 2. Research and development. Scientific breakthroughs and technological advancements often have widespread benefits. The development of new drugs, for instance, creates positive externalities for public health. 3. Vaccination. Vaccination programs not only protect individuals but also prevents the spread of diseases, creating a positive externality for the entire population. This is known as herd immunity. Negative externalities. Negative externalities occur when an activity imposes costs on third parties who are not involved in the transaction. These costs can be significant and can lead to environmental damage, health problems, and other social issues. Common examples of negative externalities include 1. Air pollution. Industrial activities with vehicle emissions and power plants release pollution into the air, causing respiratory problems, acid rain, and climate change affecting the health and well-being of the population. 2. Noise pollution. Loud construction, traffic noise, and loud music can cause stress, sleep disturbance, and hearing loss. These negative externalities negatively impact the quality of life in urban areas. 3. Water pollution. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and sewage discharge contaminates water bodies, harming aquatic life and making water unsafe for human consumption. Economic impact of externalities. Externalities distort market outcomes and lead to inefficiencies. In the presence of negative externalities, the market price does not fully reflect the social cost of production, resulting in overproduction. Conversely, with positive externalities, the market price underestimates the social benefit, leading to underproduction. This misallocation of resources has significant economic consequences, including negative externalities: overproduction, higher social costs, lower social welfare. Positive externalities: underproduction, lower social benefit, lower social welfare. Policies to address externalities. Government and policymakers have implemented various strategies to address externalities and mitigate their economic and social impacts. These policies aim to internalize externalities, ensuring that market prices reflect the true social costs and benefits. 1. Regulation. Regulation involves setting standards or limits on the amount of pollution or another negative externalities that can be produced. For example, setting emission standards for cars or factories. Regulation can be effective in reducing pollution but can be costly to implement and enforce. 2. Piggyback taxes. Piggyback taxes are taxes levied on goods or services that generate negative externalities, aiming to increase the price and discourage consumption. This helps internalize the social cost of the externality. For instance, carbon tax on fossil fuels aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 3. Subsidies. Subsidies are government payments to encourage activities that generate positive externalities. This help internalize the social benefit of the activity and promote its production. For example, subsidies for renewable energy source can incentivize the development and adoption of clean energy technologies. Conclusion and key takeaways. Externalities are an essential aspect of microeconomics, influencing market outcomes and social welfare. Understanding the nature and impact of externalities is crucial for developing policies to promote efficiency and sustainability. By internalizing externalities, government and business can align private incentives with social benefits, creating a more equitable and sustainable economic environment. Key takeaways from this discussion include the importance of recognizing the social costs and benefits of economic activities, implementing policies to address externalities, and fostering cooperation between different stakeholders to ensure that market outcomes reflect the true cost and benefit to society.